All right, everybody. It's currently 8 o'clock. I'm starting this now because I don't know, why not? Um, Daily, not much going on. 4 hour, we did disrespect this 4 hour fair value gap on the left, this bearish one. And then coming back inside of it. But we have these nice hourly fair value gaps here. So we have an SMT here, previous day high, previous day low. We also have an SMT to the downside where ES took out these highs and NQ hasn't. But my overall bias is bullish, which is why I'm not marking it out. Um, but we do have these two hourly fair value gaps, which if I am bullish, I don't like seeing. So we're actually gonna, let me scale in a little bit. I don't know what these blue fucking lines are, and it's actually pissing me off because I don't know what the fuck it is. And it's fucking up my chart. Asian, we consolidated. London, we just fucking dumped. We absolutely dumped in London. Let's mark out London high, and we'll mark out Asian high. That is, the 20-point difference. Buy side, I think, was this London? Yeah, buy side. Let's see how we react. I want to be bullish, but we'll see if the market tells me that. But I mean, I might much to say previous day low, previous day high. We have two SMTs to the upside. We have one to the downside here. However, I'm bullish. I'm not really, marking this. Um, Asian, maybe Asian's accumulation, London is manipulation, and then New York will get a reversal to the upside. Like we are respecting the halfway point of yesterday's daily candle. So we did wick down, but the body's respecting it as of now. Nothing really on the 4 hour in terms of bullish PD arrays. I mean, we do have, what do you call this, like an order block or breaker block or whatever, which we are respecting. So, and we do have this little 15-minute. Never mind, I thought we had a 15-minute. Oh, we did on ES. So, I mean, I want to be bullish, but we'll see what market tells me. What the fuck are these fucking boxes? I don't have any indicators on. Like, it's not an indicator. What the fuck is it? What the fuck is it? I don't know, but it's actually like pissing me off. Is it just on Nasdaq? What the hell is this? Um, is it just on Nasdaq or is it on other shit? It's on everything, not gold. Why is it on futures? I don't know. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing. I mean, there's not much going on. It's 8:15. So, we do have 8:30 news. I think it's unemployment claim. Yeah. So, we'll see what happens. Tomorrow or yesterday, the Federal Reserve decided to not even touch interest rates. So, interest rates are the same. Like, what are interest rates right now? Interest rates right now are like between 4.25 and 4.5, I think, or something like that. Doesn't matter. Anyway, so bias is bullish, but we'll see what happens. Let's just watch this on the 5 minute, and then I'll come back when I see. Well, we'll come back on New York Open, and then just to see what price has done since now from 8:30, now to 8:30, and then the next time you'll see me after that will be when I take an actual trade. So I'll see you guys then. Where the fuck will be? Yes, I'll see you guys then. All right, everybody. Just want to come on here and talk about something real quick. Market opened here, came up, never had a fair value gap or anything until here. I actually paper traded this, but I closed it out because I thought we were so close to this 15-minute, we're actually going to hit it. And then all of a sudden, it just like big dick fucking Drake candles. It went up 90 points. This one candle, it's like 50 points. Like, I expect us to run through these, but just not without giving me an entry. Like, come on. But, like, we did tap this 5-minute breaker, whatever you want to call this. We did inverse this 5-minute, trade it back down. We had a 1-minute fair value gap. Like, I paper traded this because I realized that this is a good trade. Like, this isn't bad. It could be worse, right? But I was like, we're so close to a 15-minute fair value gap. And we see how we're kind of rounding this fair value gap. I like that. So I entered like there and I was risking here. Um, and my target was like 50, 40 some points. My target was this 5-minute high right here. So that's like 50 points. And it actually ended up working. I mean, I probably would have gone break even at this point for 23 points. I would have got break even. And then not stopped out. But we came right back up. And every minute that we move higher makes me think that this is not going to be a favorite. You know what I've realized? When we have this type of price action where, we come down, we're kind of rounding this around, we're kind of consolidating, and then we get like a big breakaway. This is like what do they call it? A breakaway gap, where a lot of the times price won't tap this because we just have so much buying like momentum that we won't end up tapping this. And that's what's happened. So, and I should have realized that, but I don't know, but like, so beside, I mean, probably a lot of people probably took longs off this point. You know how like when you become a trader, like you've been doing this shit a while, you could look at the market and be like, oh, a lot of people probably took this long. Oh, a lot of people probably took this. Oh, probably a lot of people didn't take a trade today. Shit. And today, a lot of people probably took this trade during the macro too. And I literally paper traded out of it for a loss. I'll show you guys. Fucking what? Why does it say F? Here, MNQ at whatever for one. At what time? 9:57. Literally, I entered right here. This is actually a pretty good entry. No, I exited at 9:57. It doesn't say when I entered it, but I closed it here. Because I entered like around here. So it was like a $200 loss, but just fucking dumb. Alright, everybody, I took a trade. I'm still in it, so I kind of want to do this quick so I can see.
Order filled.
Oh, we hit one take profit. Um, I only went in with, actually, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I went in with 10, but I didn't like, because my stop loss should have been down here, but it was like a 500 and something point stop loss, or 500 and a little over 500 bucks. And I didn't want to risk that much, so I got out. Stop loss technically should be like down here. But we'll see what happens. Targeting this hourly high, then this one, and then these. I'm in this with 5, so we could do 2 there. Limit sell, we'll do 2. what happens. But so it's gonna happen. Let's sit here and wait. Am I gonna get edged? I now thing is, I don't know. I don't want to re-add yet. We can do that. Just 80 bucks. What is that? We'll do this. We'll lock in at least 200 bucks. But I mean, reasons why I took this trade, it's we had a 5 minute fair value gap. 15-second CISD happened really nicely. We had this 1 minute fair value gap.
Order filled.
And then did they hit my TP? Yeah, it did. And then trying to see. I'm trying to think. Was there any, what did I? We had this 1 minute fair value gap, and I literally entered. I think I entered off the 15-second. We inversed this little 15-second fair value gap, came back down, and then took it away. And so yeah, this is the trade that I'm in. Stop loss. I mean, we're secured 300 bucks, so I'm done regardless if this wants to keep running or not. Um, I should have probably went in with normal size, but this is the first trade in my Express account, and I didn't want to like, I don't know, because when I clicked, I want to see something. How much would it be if I just take everything off here? 300 bucks. Um, we're probably gonna fucking go pretty low in this fair value gap. We'll see though. Um, my fair value gap's in, or my stop loss is in a good spot. So just gotta wait and see. I'll sit here, and wait, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna edit this stuff out. If we disrespect this, I'm gonna get out. If that goes above 500 again, I'm gonna get out.
Order filled.
It doesn't. All right, $385 today. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm hoping for a little bit more. We'll see. If I see another beautiful setup, I will take it. I have to fight for that. Took a little loss. I went in with four, four cons. And it was like a 16-point stop loss or something. I don't know. But we got stopped out. Reasons though for the trade: 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, 15-minute fair value gap. We had this 1 minute CISD. Bada bing, bada boom. 5 minute inverse. Bada bing, bada boom. And I entered off this first 1 minute fair value gap. Uh, and actually, I entered off this inverse on the 30-second, and when it came back down, I entered. So I was in this with something like this. I was in it a little bit higher. Wait a minute. I think I entered like around here. So my entry was around there. Um, and yeah, like I'm alright with losing this. We took out this 15-minute high when, even before I entered. I mean, that's fine. I'm fine with taking that loss because I thought this was a good trade. Like if I didn't take a trade today, I would have taken that. I guess we just want to. I mean, like the only thing that's not necessarily the greatest is that we're longing when we're in a premium. It's not the greatest, but maybe I should pay more mind to this, to premiums and shit like that. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, I thought this was a beautiful trade. 15-minute fair value gap, 1 minute CISD, 5 minute inverse. 1 minute fair value gap, 30-second inverse, like everything was lining up. Just fucking shit about it. So, whatever. I'm fine with taking the loss. Was there news? No. It's 11:52, so it's like the macro, but it's the macro for like a little bit of a retracement, so I mean I get it, but whatever. So I took that loss. This was my break-even point. Either this 5 minute fair value gap or this 5 minute high. Probably this 5 minute high just to be safe. Never ended up happening, but I'm done here no matter what. And I'm profited 250. So whatever. Let's look at my stats. 75% trade winning. Percent thing jiggy. Whatever. Tomorrow is tomorrow's Friday, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm just gonna upload this video now. We have no news on the front yet, so we'll see what happens. Where do I think price is gonna go the rest of the day? I think we are. What the fuck happened? I think we are. Let me just fix this. I think we're gonna come down. Do whatever. Come down to. We might even come down in this hour here, and then this 15 minute, and then either mess around here and consolidate, and then go down a little bit more, and start to come higher, or we'll just go to here and then start to go higher. But my targets being these highs up here probably won't get hit today. We're probably gonna hit these tomorrow or like in the overnight Asian lending session. So just looking at the daily, let me see. We're probably gonna end up closing like around here. Yeah, I want to see this 4 hour close, which is technically 2 o'clock, but I want to see this 4 hour close above. So as long as the daily closes above here, I think is what we'll do. I think that's what's gonna happen. But we'll see. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm done getting off the charts. Take a duck today. Um, if I took a stupid trade, I would be upset with this loss, but it really wasn't a stupid trade. It really wasn't. Only thing that I'm thinking about now that I don't like is longing and a premium. However, my first trade was it this 1 minute for value gap? I think it was this 1 minute. Yeah, this was the first trade, like something like this. It's like 50 points. Yeah. Um, you're longing in a premium here. Like I mean, if you take it from there to there, it's a premium. If you take it from even, I mean, it doesn't even work like this. But if you take it from here to here, it's still a premium as well. Even this is a fucking. Oh, we tapped equilibrium. If you do this swing high or this swing high. Mm, kind of worked. Let me see something off this 1 minute. This one. Are we in a little discount of this range? Yeah, we are. It's the same shit. But you can't really draw it. Anyway, like it worked here but didn't here. It's like what. Anyway, I'm done. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just kind of preparing the chart because I'm still gonna sit here and watch, but um, not taking the trades. Maybe I'll paper trade, but I'm not gonna record anything. So I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm gonna see you guys actually tomorrow.